Hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. In this course, we will be looking into using QEMU for embedded Linux. About me, I am an embedded Linux developer and a Linux kernel developer. I have also done Linux kernel contributions in different areas. And below are my website and email addresses. Feel free to connect with me if you have any questions. So a bit of disclaimer, please go through it. Please read it full. Now, what is QEMU? So QEMU is short for Quick Emulator. So basically you can think of it as inside your laptop or computer, you can create an artificial machine, artificial embedded Linux board, and you can work on that board as if you are using a real hardware. Basically, you can work without purchasing a physical hardware device, physical hardware board, and with QEMU, you can emulate that device inside your laptop or computer. So this is the main idea. And also, so one more benefit is that to follow this course, you don't have to buy a real physical hardware device. So why use QEMU? And as I just explained, it is highly versatile, free, and open source. Okay, highly versatile in the sense that it has support for lots of boards, lots of development kits, standard boards which are out there in the market. We will see, okay, in this course, we will emulate different types of boards. And also, if QEMU is paired with KVM, it offers a very good performance. Okay, it is very fast. So I'm on my Ubuntu machine and we will set up QEMU. So basically on any machine, Debian or any other, if you install QEMU using the regular commands, you might get an older version of QEMU, okay? But to use a very latest version, what we can do is that we can build QEMU from source. So that is what I will do right now. I will first fetch the source code of QEMU and then I will build from the source. Okay, so let's do this. So let me create a directory and let me move inside it. So I am downloading the version 8.0.0. Okay, let me press enter. So it is just starting. Okay, the download is starting. And the file that we will get, it will be in the compressed form, so we will have to extract all the contents. Okay, it will be this file. So I'm just pausing for now, and when the download will be completed, I will get back. Okay, so and I will resume from here. Okay, so let me pause my recording. Alright, so looks like my download is complete. Now let me show you the file. So we can see the source has been downloaded. So let me extract it. Okay. And so one thing is that capital J option is to use the XZ algorithm to extract the files to. Okay. And of course we have to give the name of the file, so it will extract. This will just take few minutes. I will pause again. Okay, so all the contents have been extracted. Now let's move inside the folder. These are all the files and folders of QEMU. Okay, this is the complete source. Now what we have to do, we have to configure. I'll press enter. Okay, so basically it will check all the dependencies, all the dependent tools, and of course proper versions of those tools. And in case if you are missing any tools, it will give an error. You just install those tools. Okay, you just have to install those packages in case if you get any error here. So uh, basically the dependencies may be either Python package, or you may, which you can install using pip, or the missing dependency, you, if it is not available as a Python package, you need to install using sudo apt install if you are on Debian, and similarly if for other distributions. Okay, so again it is just configuring and it will produce a make file after this. And after the make file has been produced, we will finally build the whole project. Okay, so for me all the dependencies are there, there's no error. Okay, till now. Let's see. I'm again pausing, okay, for a few minutes, and I will just resume from here. Okay, the configure step is completed, and let's now build the whole project. Okay, let me just have a look. Okay, so I'm running make to build this whole project. Okay, so it is building. So basically the, for example, the configure step that just ran before, it was checking, for example, the ninja tool, if it is already present in the current machine or not, like this. Okay, so let's see. Now the make command is running, it is building all the source files. And again, let me pause. If any error occurs or if it is successful, I will get back to you. I will resume from the same step. Okay, so I'm pausing the recording for now. So as we can see that the build is completed. Okay, and now let's check the output. So we have obtained all the binaries. Let's check the version. Okay, yes, this is the same 8.0.0 that we just installed. Now for this QEMU that we have just built, let's check what all different types of machines are we having for this 8.0.2 version. Okay, so these are all the machines. As we can see, we have one of the noticeable machine is ZCU102. Then let's see, we have this uh, we have this Raspberry Pis. Okay, Raspberry 3B, Raspberry 2B, like this. So as we can see, we have different types of machines. We will emulate many of these machines in this course, and I will show you all the different aspects. So well, we have set up the QEMU for embedded Linux, and I hope you must have also done so. And if you are facing any problems, please feel free to connect with me or post your question in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.